Kirk Price with New Look Auto. Just wanted to reach out and hope everybody's having a great day today and being safe, keeping your family safe during this crazy time that we're having. So I'm reaching out to, well, anybody really, but specifically the people who in the last couple of weeks through some of these storms that have gone through the area, through Monette and Aurora, Republic, Brookline, Nixa, Springfield. Anybody who got their vehicle damaged from the hailstorm, this is who I'm reaching out to. I know these are tough times, crazy what's going on, kind of uncertain of the future, what's going to happen, just like all of us, and so we want to help people out, and we're going to right now run a little special where we're going to help save up to $500 off of your deductible. So hopefully that would take care of a lot of people and you wouldn't have any money coming out of your pocket and you can still get your vehicle fixed. And we don't do any paint work. We've been in business for 25 years. We'll take very good care of you. Just give us a call. We're located in Nixa. Our number is 417-986-5250. Give us a call. Hopefully we can save you some money and take care of you at the same time. So be safe. We'll talk soon.